Meaning of hallmark.
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 Hallmark. The term hallmark refers to a mark or symbol which is applied to an object to attest to its quality, purity, genuineness, or origin. Typically, a hallmark is an official stamp or certification that is placed on precious metals like gold or silver to indicate their authenticity and fineness. However, the term can also be used more broadly to describe any defining characteristic or trait that is associated with a particular person, group, or thing. Overall, hallmark implies a mark of excellence or a distinguishing feature that gives something value and sets it apart from others.